Hello everyone, welcome you all again to another video on C programming. Today we are going to discuss about an array in a C programming. An array is a collection of items stored in a contiguous memory location. It is also known as a static data structure with a fixed memory size. We can declare an array using a valid data type followed by an array name and the array size. The array name and size is user specific. We can use the array name and size as per our use. For an example, we can declare an array of type integer with a name even number, and the size of the array we can keep as 5. We can initialize all the elements of the array using a single statement during the declaration, or we can initialize one by one element as per our use. To access an array element, we need to use the array index. We can use the index of an array from 0 to n-1. Consider the n is the size of the array. For an array of size 5, we can use the index number 0 to 4. The index 0 will represent the first element of the array, and the index 4 will represent the last element of the array. So let's have a look how we can introduce an array in a C programming. So I'm going to declare an array as per our example, whatever I shown you in the example. So I'm going to declare the same array. So array data type, we are going to use integer type array. We are going to declare even number, and array size will keep 5. So to initialize this array, we have to use curly bracket. So curly bracket we will use, and inside that curly bracket we have to initialize our array. So we have the array size as 5, so we can initialize up to 5 elements. So first element, second element, third element, fourth element, and this is the 5th element. So this is the initialization of the particular array. Now we are going to introduce another one variable I to access the array elements using the index. So I will be the index of the array while we are going to access. So to access the elements of the array, we are going to use a for loop. For I, we are going to initialize with 0. We are going to restrict I value less than 5 and I plus plus. So here, as we have our array size as 5, so we can access up to 5 elements. So first element we can access from the 0 index, and the last element we can access from the 4th index. So to print all the elements, printf and even number to use I. So this for loop will print the array elements from 0th element to 4th element. 0th will represent the first element and the 4th will represent the last element. So let's have a look into the result. So to compile this, so you can see all the elements of the array is printed one by one. So hope you have understood the concept of array in C programming, and this is the single dimensional array whatever I have shown you today. we can have the multidimensional array also in the C programming. So we'll discuss about the multidimensional array in our next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.